Do you sometimes feel uncomfortable using your hands while presenting? Today, I would like to share 3 hand gestures that really make the difference. First, to structure your pitch. Second, to humanize your pitch. And third, to convey emotions. So first of all, to structure your pitch. You can use your hands to show the structure. First, second, third. Or first, second, third. And explain that there are 3 arguments or 3 benefits. The first one, second, and third. You can also use your hand to humanize your relationship with your audience by using pronouns like we, you, together, or we, you, together. Last but not least, use your hands to convey emotions by using your hand and taking it close to your heart. This project matters to me. Our team is convinced about this idea. Do you want to know more on how to pitch? Follow Ego Boost, our weekly 1-minute video on how to pitch.